Hi there. Let's talk about how to get images into PDFs and files that you can use and edit and that sort of thing. So you can create a map for our history class where you're creating your own colony. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. You could just literally, super simple. I have drawn a map. This is my landmass so far. It's in progress, but you can see I've got like trees up here, trees here, a lake and a river, and this is the coastline. But I could just take a picture of this. And then once I have the picture in my device, when I click on the picture, I can go up here and I can click edit. And then I can mark up in the picture. So I click the three dots up here in the upper right-hand corner and click markup. And now I have all these different things that I can use. So if I want to color the lake blue, I should try it, probably highlighter might work better. So I'm going to color that blue and color the rivers blue and the water. Okay. The trees and the mountains and forests green. Okay, whatever you want to do, right? So you can mark up with the tools down here just in the photo itself. So that's an option. And then you could in Canvas just submit the photo. So I just, again, had a picture that I drew on paper and I just took a picture of that and marked it up. You could also, if you wanted to, use either Notes or Notability. They both kind of have the same functionality. Notability is a little more robust. It has a little more options for you. So if I click on the plus, I'm in Notability right now. Notes is awfully similar, but you click the plus. I could go to that photo that I just took, or I could go to the camera, or so I could just take a picture of what I have on paper. Or another option is this document scan, and this has the same thing in Notes, but this actually scans this document. So you see when it turns blue, it scans that automatically. And now that's a PDF, so it just cleans it up. So it's a digital document now, and I can do all the markup and everything that I was doing as on the image. But you can see it's just a cleaner copy, and this you can save this into you can do all the different things you need to do. But you can mark it up in here. You can save it into Notability. You can do the same thing in Notes. Don't know if you're familiar with this. And Notes is just an iPad feature itself. So if I click on the camera down below, and you can see these are two PDFs that I've created from documents. So like if I click the scan documents, it's the same thing that I was just doing in Notability. Click the button in Notes to get it. Excuse me. And now I can adjust the borders if I need to, if they're not right. But I like this. I'm going to keep the scan. And basically what this does is just creates a very nice, clean copy. This is what I would suggest if you were going to draw on a piece of paper and save it as a digital document. I would suggest a PDF, either in Notes or Notability, rather than the picture that I showed you originally. It would work, it's just not as nice. Or if you want to get even more techie, I guess, you could always use like Google Draw or something like that and actually create the image on your device. It's up to you. I personally like to draw on paper because I like to take a break from my device from time to time. Okay, but there's some options for you. You do what works best for you. All right, hope that helps.